If you're seeing an unsupported browser message in Google Chrome, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes that can usually get the website working again fast. We'll go step by step, starting with the easiest solution first, and then moving into the more advanced Chrome settings if needed. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, restart Google Chrome completely. Close every Chrome window so the browser is fully shut down. Then open Chrome again and go back to the website that showed the unsupported browser error. A lot of the time, this issue is just temporary and a fresh restart clears it right away. If the website loads normally after that, you're done. If the problem is still there, the next thing to do is update Google Chrome. Look at the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. From there, go to Help and then click About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates on this page. If there's an update available, let it finish installing, then click Relaunch. This is one of the most important steps because an outdated browser is one of the most common reasons a website says your browser is unsupported. Now let's clear the cache and cookies. Over time, old or corrupted browser data can cause websites to behave incorrectly or display browser compatibility errors. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete together. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. Make sure you select cookies and other site data and also cached images and files. At the top, set the time range to All Time, then click Delete Data. After that, give Chrome another try and see if the website works properly. If you still see the error, the next fix is to make sure JavaScript is enabled. Many websites rely on JavaScript to detect browser support and load their pages correctly. Click the three dots menu again, then go to Settings. In the left menu, click Privacy and Security, then choose Site Settings. Scroll down until you find JavaScript and open it. Make sure the option that says sites can use JavaScript is turned on. If JavaScript was disabled, that could easily be the reason the website is refusing to load. And if none of those steps worked, you can try resetting Chrome settings. This is a good final fix when something in the browser has become misconfigured. Go back to Chrome settings, then in the left menu click Reset Settings. Select Restore Settings to their original defaults, then click Reset Settings to confirm. This won't delete your bookmarks or save passwords, but it will remove broken custom settings that may be causing the unsupported browser issue. At this point, one of these fixes should have solved the problem. In most cases, updating Chrome or clearing corrupted cache files is enough to get the website working again. If this tutorial helped you fix the issue, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy computer tips, browser fixes, and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.